everyone, this is Ayushi Verma from Invest to Learn Academy, and today we are here on cryptoTV to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be taking up the daily chart. We'll be looking at the technical tools like support and resistance levels, RSI, moving averages levels, and some other things to see what the charts are telling us technically. So quickly, I'll be coming to the Bitcoin first. So current market price of Bitcoin is trading at 39,961. So आप देख सकते हैं कि जो प्राइस है Bitcoin का वो 40,000 लेवल के आसपास ही ट्रेड हो रहा है. That's the reason we have seen the upside momentum little weak because it was trading somewhere around at 45,000 levels, and now the price is coming towards downside. Day before yesterday also we have got a fall of more than 7%, जिसकी वजह से उस दिन का जो क्लोजिंग आया है वो उसके प्रीवियस लो से below close हुआ है. That's the reason that also adds on to this, like upside looks weak here also just because of this reason as well. And क्योंकि price is falling, that's the reason we are getting the RSI is at 43. Now here I am using the exponential moving averages for 50, 100 and 200 days. So 50 EMA stands at 42,588, 100 EMA stands at 45,256 and 200 EMA is at 46,406. I have also taken out the support and resistance levels here. Support 1 came out to be 35,335. Support 2 is at 29,713. Resistance 1 is at 41,211 and resistance 2 is at 45,332. Let me just quickly come to the chart of Bitcoin, and if I'll just give you an idea about the complete picture of the daily chart of Bitcoin, so you can see that this is the movement which you can get from the daily chart. Now if I'll talk about the current momentum, you can see that this is the current momentum which slightly trading below than this level. So earlier it used to be a support level, but now since the price closes below than this level, trading below than this level, so it that support level turns out to be a resistance one. Now if you look at the moving averages here, the 100 and 200 EMA, we have got a crossover of these two moving averages, which also shows the downward side, because whenever a short-term moving averages crosses long-term moving averages and goes down, that creates a downward position that tells you, it signals you a downward position. But the only thing is, like the crossover happened, but the divergence is not coming. So that's the reason we are not getting a complete or a good fall here. So we need to see what's going to happen. Maybe in the next week, upcoming week, we might see more downside momentum from the Bitcoin chart. Now this is for the Bitcoin, and let me just come to the Ethereum now. Almost a similar situation you can see from the Ethereum, and look at the current market price, which is 2,785, which is again trading below than 3,000 levels. And here also we are getting upside, which is which looks little weak, and the RSI is at 43. 50 EMA is at 3,094 levels, 100 EMA is at 3,323 levels, 200 is EMA is at 3,301 level. Now the support 1 is at 2,336, support 2 is at 1,817, resistance 1 is at 2,855 and resistance 2 is at 3,361. Let me just quickly come to the chart of Ethereum. Ethereum. So this is the complete chart of Ethereum, and okay, now if you look at the current price momentum, which is at a very interesting point, the price is basically, as of now today, it's trading flat, and the price is basically taking the support of this downward trend line, and it's slightly below than this particular 2,855 levels. Also, if you look at the moving averages, the 100 and 200 EMA, so they are about to give you a crossover. So again, here also the short-term moving average is crossing the long-term moving averages from above to below. So that something which also tells you the more downside movement in the Ethereum price also. Now if you look at here, the prices, this was the high price, the high point, and the immediate high point is lower than this previous one. So that's also an indication that the price may go down in the near future. So that is something which you need to see. Once you get the confirmation, that will be a good way, a better way to enter in a particular, in this particular cryptocurrency. Now, this is how we basically conduct the analysis every day, and I hope you gain something. That's the reason, we are doing it every day. And thank you so much for joining with us.